Introducing A-Class Metals' new manufacturing facility at 28 Parraweena Rd, Caringbah. It's a gated facility and has a large open area out front, so delivery vehicles, guests, visitors can drive straight in and park. Visitors and guests should enter via our office upstairs. Delivery drivers should come and see our foreman. We have a new laser cutting machine. It's the latest technology, an Armada Ventus 3015AJ, fibre laser cutter with locust beam control. So we laser cut all ferrous and non-ferrous metals. If you have any laser cutting requirements, give us a buzz. We'll get them done for you really quick. This is our 200-ton 8-coil brake press. It'll bend sheets up to 4 metres long. Fancy bandsaw, cuts nice and cleanly. Our fabrication section. Got the guys working there as we speak, doing quality work as always. So thanks for watching. A-Class Metals, new premises, 28 Parraweena Rd, Caringbah. We look forward to seeing you soon.